In the rapidly evolving world of automotive diagnostics, staying ahead of the curve means keeping up with the latest innovations that empower both professionals and enthusiasts to work smarter and more efficiently. One of the standout releases of 2025 is the XTOOL D8W wireless bidirectional OBD2 scanner, a device making waves for its blend of cutting-edge technology, robust performance, and user-centric design. High-Tech Gadgets News takes a deep dive into what makes the D8W a must-have for anyone serious about vehicle diagnostics and maintenance. The first thing that sets the XTOOL D8W apart is its wireless capability. Thanks to an integrated Wi-Fi module, users can connect to vehicles from up to 66 feet away, eliminating the hassle of tangled cables and letting you move freely around the garage or workshop. This wireless freedom dramatically increases diagnostic efficiency, especially when performing tests that require moving around the vehicle or accessing hard-to-reach areas. Under the hood, the D8W runs on Android 10.0, equipped with 4 GB of RAM and a generous 64 GB of storage. This powerful combination ensures smooth multitasking, rapid data processing, and plenty of space for storing diagnostic records, vehicle profiles, and system updates. With this hardware, lag and slowdowns become a thing of the past, even when handling the most demanding tasks. What truly makes the D8W shine is its vast array of features tailored for comprehensive vehicle maintenance. The scanner includes more than 42 maintenance services spanning everything from routine oil resets and electronic parking brake (EPB) adjustments to more advanced functions like steering angle sensor, SAS calibration, throttle adaptation, battery management system, BMS reset, ABS bleeding, and injector coding. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a DIY enthusiast, these built-in service options save time and streamline the maintenance process. Full system diagnostics is another cornerstone of the D8W's capabilities. The device can scan and analyze all vehicle systems, including transmission control modules, TCM, supplemental restraint systems, SRS, anti-lock braking systems, ABS, tire pressure monitoring systems, TPMS, body control modules, BCM, and many others. This ensures that no component is left unchecked, providing a complete picture of a vehicle's health and highlighting issues before they become expensive problems. A standout feature for hands-on users is the D8W's bidirectional control, which supports over 4,000 active tests. This means you can not only read data, but also send commands to vehicle systems in real time. Whether you're activating the fuel pump, cycling the ABS pump, or making transmission adjustments, this level of control puts powerful diagnostic tools right at your fingertips. It's an invaluable asset for anyone troubleshooting complex automotive systems. Advanced ECU coding and programmable module installation, PMI, functions further elevate the D8W's versatility. These features allow users to customize vehicle settings and transfer module data when replacing components, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance. For newer vehicles, the D8W supports the latest DOIP and KNFD communication protocols, making it compatible with the most recent models on the road. Another innovation is the topology mapping function, which visually displays all vehicle modules in a color-coded layout. This intuitive interface makes it easy to identify faults, understand network architecture, and pinpoint issues quickly, saving time and reducing guesswork during diagnostics. For owners of FCA vehicles such as Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge 2018 Plus, and Fiat 2017 Plus, the D8W includes FCA Auto Auth support. This enables seamless and secure diagnostics without the typical authentication roadblocks, providing unrestricted access to all necessary systems. Finally, the D8W comes with a 3-year update plan, ensuring your diagnostic tool stays current with ongoing advancements in automotive technology. This commitment to updates means the D8W remains a future-proof investment, adapting to new models and protocols as they emerge. In summary, the XTOOL D8W wireless bidirectional OBD2 scanner stands out as a high-tech, comprehensive solution for automotive diagnostics, marrying convenience with deep functionality. For professionals and enthusiasts alike, it represents a smart, forward-looking addition to any automotive toolkit. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for the latest in high-tech automotive tools and innovations. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to Shop on Amazon Now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.